Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add some customized sound on your iPhone when you take your cable and want to charge your iPhone. So let's start. So first you just need to open app library and just find here shortcuts. So now just go to automation and click on add. Just choose create personal automation, and here you need to find charger and disconnect it next. So now just choose add action and choose media, and now you just scroll down until you will see here find music, get current sound, get details of music, play music, select music. You just choose select music and select music from your iPhone. What do you want to add to this action? As every time you just put inside your cable, you will hear this sound. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.